Hello guys, in today's video we'll be looking at how to use stop loss to trade boom and crash successfully. So many questions have been coming up from my subscribers on how to use stop loss to trade boom and crash. Is it really working for boom and crash? What can they do in order to apply stop loss while trading boom and crash? All the questions will be answered in today's video, and I will be sharing with you the strategy which I've been using to use stop loss to trade boom and crash. Okay, and I'm going to share it with you on how you too can apply it while trading boom and crash. So I want you to sit tight and get your notepad and pen ready in order to take notes of every point that I'll be highlighting in today's video so that you guys can also apply it to your trading activity. But before going fully into this, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. Okay, so feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. If you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And also, if you have any question about my videos, feel free to contact me. Probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools. Feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. Okay, quickly, before we go further, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot, because this is the only way you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. And I usually do training videos like this every day. So all you need to do is just to, in order not to miss out from my training videos, is just to subscribe to this channel. Just check below this video and click on the subscription button, and also click on notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video like this, a training video like this. Okay, I'll make sure you set the notification bell to all notification. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay, this is what you get to gain when you are a subscriber. Okay, usually I post a training video like this every day that gives you tips on how to trade successfully. Then there is one thing I've also added to my daily routine right now. Okay, that is for those that want to have the idea of what they should go for whenever they are trading. Okay, the first thing I added to it was to be doing market analysis so that you will know what to go for whenever you are trading. Then another thing that I have also added to it is the trading tips for the day or for the night. It actually depends when I'm dishing it out. Okay, so and so many people have actually been going through it. They've been taking advantage of that in order to make the market successfully. That can come up anytime in the day. Okay, so you need to stay alert in order to get that and take good advantage of it immediately. Okay, so I'll be dropping that later on in the day, but not in this video. Okay, so these are some of the things that you'll be getting from my channel if you are a subscriber of this channel. So that is why you need to hit the subscription button right now, and also set the notification bell to all notification. So with that being said, okay, I will be moving on into what we have for today. But before we go fully into today's video, we'll be doing the market analysis so that you guys will know what we should look out for in today's video. Okay, so I'm starting with boom 1000, and I'm using the signal indicator with this. Okay, the signal indicator comes with this blue and yellow line. It changes from blue to yellow line and yellow to blue line depending on the trend of the market. If it is yellow, it is always on downtrend around there. You can see it going down around the yellow lines. If it is blue, then definitely the market is on uptrend at that particular time. You can see this. That is what's happened here. Okay, so that is how it works. So quickly, I'm going to show you more. Okay, then it also comes with the signal. You can see the yellow circled 5 is a sell signal, while that of the blue is a buy signal. Okay, that is just the way it works. It is as simple as that. Okay, so let's quickly analyze the market. Boom, 1000 with this. Okay, this is 1 hour time frame. As we can see, it's been on a very strong downtrend. You can check it out right from here to this level. Of course, it has gotten to this support level, went back up a bit and came down again, and you can see the yellow line changing to blue, which means it is still trying to pull back up. So let's see if it will break out from this before you jump in, but it might be difficult for it to pull back up totally. Okay, because if you should check it out, it is already building a resistance level around here. Okay, sorry, why is this not picking it? Okay, it has picked it. It is already building a resistance level around here. Okay, I'm going to adjust it a bit so that you guys will get to see what I'm trying to see. Okay, so it is already building a resistance level around there. That is why it is yet to break out from here. That is why it is finding difficult to break out from here. So if it breaks out from here, then we should be having an upward trend. Okay, we should be having a buy trend around there. Okay, if it breaks out from here, then we should be having a buy trend at least to this level, but it might take some time if it's unable to break out. So we should be experiencing another downtrend for a while. But as we can see, it is trying to break out. It is trying to go back on uptrend. How far it will go, we don't know yet until it breaks out from this. So make sure you do your analysis very well before you jump into the trade. Let's check out what is happening with Crash 1000. With Crash 1000, I'm using the crusher indicator for this. Okay, it is also an amazing indicator which you can use to trade successfully. Okay, it comes with this to confirm the trade. It also comes with the arrows. Okay, let me increase the font of the arrows so that you guys will get to see it properly. Okay, let me change the size to 5. Okay, bam, yeah, that is it. Okay, that is the way it works. Okay, as we can see right here, this is also 1 hour time frame, and it is Crash 1000, and I'm using the crusher indicator. It has gotten to this support level after hitting this resistance level. It started coming down and it has gotten to this support level, and we've gotten our buy arrow here, which means it will be buying again. So it will be buying again, but check it out, it has tried it several times around there and has not been able to break this resistance level, which means that this area is a consolidating area. Okay, but at the moment it is buying at the moment. Once it gets to this place, then you should exit the market to see if it will break out from this. If it breaks out from this, then definitely this resistance level is what we should be looking at. Okay, so make sure you do your analysis before you jump into the trade. Let's check out Crash 500. For Crash 500, I'm using the NC indicator. When the candles are yellow, it shows that the market is on downtrend. When they are blue, it shows that the market is on uptrend around there. I'm also using 1 hour time frame. You can see that it's been on a very long downtrend. It's a strong downtrend. Okay, of course it has gotten to this support level and it is trying to pull back up, but consolidating at the moment. So wait for it to break above this region before you jump into the trade. But right now it is yet to break it, so definitely it is still on downtrend. So you wait for it to declare the direction before you jump into the trade. So let's check out what is happening with Boom 500. For Boom 500, this is what we have, and I'm using the QDC scraper indicator for Boom 500. Okay, you can see that it's been on uptrend for a while. The uptrend started from here. Okay, from this level. This is 1 minute time frame. It started from here and started spiking from here till it got to this level. This is the resistance level, and that is where the uptrend stopped. Okay, that is where it stopped. So a new downtrend is starting from here. So you guys can take advantage of that. Right now it is going back on downtrend. Okay, you can take advantage of that. Okay, I'll be stopping here with the analysis. Okay, like I said, the tips for the day will be coming. It's going to be another video entirely. It will be coming later in the day, so you guys should look out for it. I'll be posting it later in the day, but not at this moment, okay, because we have something very important to discuss on today. Okay, let's go straight into what we have for today, which is how to use stop loss to trade boom and crash successfully. But before we go fully into that, remember, if you have any question at all about this particular topic or any of my videos, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. Then also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. You need to do that right now, so you can take a minute to do that right now. So let's move on into what we have for today. So quickly, I've been getting so many messages from people on how to use stop loss. Okay, let me quickly explain the function of stop loss when trading. Okay, stop loss will help you to reduce the amount of the amount of loss that can occur on your trading capital or on your profit. Okay, you can also use it to lock up your profit, so that if the market is reversing against you, it will take you out of the market in with the little profit that you have locked up for yourself. Okay, so that you don't lose all the profit back to the market again. That is the main essence of using stop loss. It can help you to hold your profit and keep it somewhere while you are still in the market. Okay, so this is an advantage to us. It should be an advantage to us, but the problem is, can we use it with boom and crash? Or why have we not been using it with boom and crash? Or why is it difficult to set it up while trading boom and crash? Or why is boom and crash not obeying stop loss? All these will be answered very soon, and I'm going to show you how you can use stop loss easily on boom and crash, or while trading boom and crash. I've got something here for you. Okay, let's quickly come to my cheat sheet so that you guys will understand how to go about it. Okay, these are the tips to follow. Okay, for you to use stop loss, okay, you can either use it when you are buying in the trade, when you are buying a particular asset, or you are selling a particular asset. It depends on how you want to use it, but it is very easy to use when you are trading currency pairs, when you are trading volatility 75 and the likes. It is very easy to use when you are doing all that. But for boom and crash, we've always have this problem of using stop loss, and I'm going to tell you the reason behind that. Okay, so these are the two ways which you can use which you can use stop loss while trading boom and crash. The first way is when trading the spikes. Okay, when trading the spikes, you can use stop loss to keep some profit, to lock up some profit for yourself. It's very easy. That is the easiest way to go about it. Okay, then the second aspect is to use it while trading the usual trend. That is, when you are trading boom, when you are selling boom, how do we use stop loss to hold the spikes? Okay, when you are buying crash, how do you use stop loss to hold the spike so that it won't put you in negative? Okay, these are some of the things we will be looking at today. But let me tell you something. Okay, let me tell you something. You cannot use stop loss to hold the spikes. Okay, you can't use stop loss to hold the spikes, and I'm going to give you reasons. Okay, you can't use stop loss to hold the spikes because the forces behind the spikes are too powerful for stop loss to hold. Okay, it happens within seconds. Okay, it happens within a second. You just see it shooting up or crashing down immediately, so stop loss cannot hold it. Okay, but when trading spikes, you can use stop loss to hold, to to keep your profit, because um the market reverse steadily at that particular point, and once it gets to your stop loss, it will definitely take you out of the market. But before we go further in the video, okay, I'm going to show you how to use it with this, and I'm also going to show you how to use it even when you are trading against the spikes, that is using it using the usual trend. Okay, so many people don't know this secret, but I'm going to show you how to use it within the usual trend. Okay, of course it does not obey spikes, but I'm going to show you how to use it in order to keep your profits for yourself. Okay, so let's go straight to the platform. And the first one is using it with spikes. Okay, that is the first one. So this is it. Let's say you are trading spikes. Okay, we need to have boom on uptrend. Okay, let's say we've got our buy order here, and it has been spiking and spiking. It has spiked down to this level, and we don't know if it will break this resistance level or not. So all we need to do, okay, this is our entry point. I'm going to introduce some horizontal lines. Okay, I'm going to introduce some horizontal lines and change the colors. Okay, we're going to have white and we're going to have red. Okay, so that will make it very, it makes it very easy for us to okay, sorry, for us to separate the horizontal line so that we know our entry point and also know our exit point. Okay, so the light blue horizontal line is our entry point, the white is our current action price, while the red is our stop loss. Okay, it has been spiking. It started spiking from here, it has gotten to here. As you can see, it has gotten to here. So you can introduce your stop loss to this level so that when the market is reversing back, since you are trading spikes, when it is reversing back, it comes down steadily, because this is boom, not crash. It comes down steadily. Once it gets to your stop loss, it takes you out of the market, and you'll be keeping the profit within the red horizontal line to the entry point, which is the what is it called, the light blue horizontal line. But let's say you didn't get to your stop loss, definitely you won't be taken out of the market. Another spike happened and another one happened, it got to this level. You can always adjust your stop loss to somewhere here. Okay, you want to make sure you take the full advantage of the trend that is happening in the market. Okay, let's say there is no resistance level here, and you don't know, there is no verified resistance level here, so you don't know if it will break the resistance level or not. Okay, you can adjust your stop loss to somewhere here, and okay, check it out. It's respected the resistance level, and it started coming down, went up, came down again till it got to your stop loss. You will be taken out of the market, and you will be able to keep the profit within here to this level for yourself. Okay, it will be in your account. Okay, your order will have been closed by then, even if you are not in the market at that particular line, at that particular time, even though you are not online at that particular time, definitely you will be taken out of the market with this profit. And this has actually given you 27 hours of trading opportunity. Let's say you are even sleeping around there, you should know that your your profit is safe at this particular point. You just wake up and see your order closed, and you're going to get your profit in your balance. Okay, that is amazing, isn't it? But this is where we usually have problem when we are trading normally. Okay, for boom, you sell, right? That means I'm already explaining this aspect. Number 2, how to use stop loss while trading the usual trend. Okay, the usual trend for boom is to sell. Okay, is to sell, because when you are selling, it goes down steadily, okay. But the issue is, as it is going down steadily, if you should set stop loss, okay, let me take it to 1 minute time frame first so that we guys will understand, okay. For boom, it goes down steadily, okay. It goes down steadily, and probably, okay, we started from here. Let's say this is our entry point. It started going down steadily and steadily, okay. You said, okay, I think I would love to introduce other horizontal lines here too, so that, okay, let me do it this way. Control Z. Okay, let me take it back to 1 hour time frame. Okay, let me do it on 1 minute time frame rather. Okay, this is it. I'm going to change some colors right now. Let me change this to aqua blue again. I'm sorry about this. I should have used another one instead of using the same chart, but I'm not going to take our time. It's going to be very brief in changing the colors, okay. I'm going to make this white, pure white, okay, pure white, okay. So that is it, okay. This is our entry point, the light blue, and I'm going to hide this for now. The red is not there for now. This is our price action. It started from the entry point and started going up and up and up, okay. We can introduce our stop loss right here, okay. I'm still teaching you something, okay. It started going, we try to increase the stop loss to this level, okay. So immediately it got to this place, we adjust it again, okay. And immediately it got here, this spike will happen, okay, and it will push our stop loss backward to this level and reducing our profits, okay. Let me try and give, okay, let's do it this way. So that you will understand better, okay. I want us to get a better understanding of this, okay. Let's say this is our entry point, and let me remove the stop loss again. Let's say the light blue is our entry point. This is our entry point, and the market started moving downward. So we decide to introduce the stop loss, okay. The same thing we did when trading the spikes, okay. We introduced the stop loss here, and the price action got to this level. We adjusted the stop loss to somewhere here, okay, and the price action got to this level. Do you know what will happen once the spike happened? This particular spike, when it happened, it will push our stop loss back to this level, and it will put us in negative at that particular time. It will put us in negative because it has gone beyond our entry point, which is not too good for us. But how can we use this stop loss to trade the normal trend? That is the question. How can we use it to trade the normal trend? I'm going to show you how we can use it to trade the normal trend, okay. The first thing you need to know is that trading the, let me put it here, trading the normal trend with stop loss, okay, with stop loss, okay. The first thing you need to know is that you need to use it when swing trading, okay. When swing trading, don't use it to scalp, okay. Use it when swing trading. That is the best way to go about it, okay. This is the best way to go about it. Use it when swing trading. If you use it when swing trading, it will be highly effective for you, and I'm going to explain that to you, okay. I'm going to explain that to you briefly. So let's go straight to the chart. Okay, for you to use it when swing trading, I'm going to recommend you to use this time frame, okay, to swing trade, okay, because you're going to get the signal on time using this time frame than using the daily time frame, okay. Use H1 time frame, and with the indicator I will be using it with, then you will be able to trade it successfully with it. So this is what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to take this chart to H1, and I'm using the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, sorry, let me take it back to M1 again. Okay, I'm missing this. Okay, so I'm going to take it back to H1. Okay, so this is what we are going to be doing. We'll be using this chart, and we'll be using the QDC scraper indicator to do our analysis here. Okay, so on H1, this is what we'll be getting on H1, and we I'm going to explain in such a way that you will understand how to go about it. So the first thing is to remove the stop loss. Let's say this is our entry point. This is still boom 1000 we are selling. This is our entry point, so we are selling at that particular point. Then the action price is now moving downward. Okay, it is moving downward. Okay, so you can easily introduce your stop loss somewhere here. Okay, even if a spike should happen, it's not going to get your stop loss easily. Okay, as the price action is moving downward, you can adjust your stop loss somewhere here. So if the spike continues and gets to your stop loss, definitely it will take you out of the market. And do you know what? You'll be keeping the profit between here to this level. Okay, I don't know if you understand that, but I'm going to explain better. Okay, let me use a better example. Okay, I'm going to use this. Okay, we want to use this region. I'll be using this region. Okay, you can see right here. Let me take this up again. Okay, right here, around here, where we have the blue arrow, the tip of the blue arrow popping out, you can see that there are multiple spikes happening here. Check it out. There are multiple spikes happening here because the market is trying to pull back around here. Okay, so how do we prevent being involved in all these multiple spikes? Okay, I'm going to share this secret so that you will be able to use it successfully. Okay, let's say this is your entry point. This arrow, this section is your entry point for a sell. Okay, the price action gets to this level. Okay, the price action got to this level and it started going down. It has gotten to this level. You can introduce your stop loss right now and put it here. Okay, this is what the stop loss will do. Okay, once this first spike gets to the stop loss, it will take you out of the market and it won't allow the second spike to get to you. And this time around, the swing trading method will allow you to keep a lot of profit for yourself without you being involved in the negative. Okay, without protecting. It's going to protect your profit, and it's also going to protect your trading capital at this point. Okay, let's move on so that you will understand it. This is what we are following. Let me try and highlight what we are following. This is the starting point, and we want to follow it to this level, and also we want to follow it upwards to this level. Those are the two things. Let me show you very well. I'm sorry about this. I just want to make sure that you get the full explanation, the full gist about this. This is what we are following. This and this. Those are the two things we are following. We want to start here, come in here, and get to this level. Then the spikes that are occurring, which is taking us back to this level. That is what we want to focus on. So our entry point should be somewhere here because we are selling. So right here, I'm going to put the horizontal line for the entry point here. This is where we entered from. Okay, this is where we entered from. Let me see if I can make this bolder. I'm sorry about that. I just want to make sure that you guys are getting it well. Okay, sorry. Wow, okay, that is what we are focusing on. Okay, let me do this. Let me do for this also. Boom, good. These are the two areas we are focusing on. This will be our entry point, and we don't want to get involved in all these spikes that happen from here down to this level. I mean, up to this level. We don't want to get involved in it. So we are coming in at the tip of this arrow. Okay, so the horizontal line stands, the light blue horizontal line stand for our entry point. So we are entering from here. Okay, we've been in the market. This will now be our price action. It is going down and going down. Okay, so we will now introduce our stop loss to somewhere here. Okay, we are still following this trend, right? This downtrend, that is what we are still following. So the price action moves down to this level, then we adjust our stop loss down to this level. Okay, this is for trading the normal trend. Please follow through so that you will understand the full gist about it. Okay, then the price action got to this level, we can always adjust our stop loss to this level. Remember, this is 1 hour time frame. Okay, then the price action now got to this support level where we add our entry point. Our entry point for a buy, that is the buy arrow came out from there. Okay, let's say we are not looking at the arrows. Okay, we want to know if it will break this support level or not, or probably the price action will reverse around there. And of course, as you can see, because it is at a support level and there is a buy arrow there, it started spiking, spiked up to this level and spiked up to this level. This is what it's going to do. Okay, it has spiked up to this level, and remember, the stop loss is to lock up your profit from here to this level. But this is what it's going to do, because boom and crash, stop loss does not, spikes in boom and crash does not respect stop loss. So this is what it's going to do. Okay, it's going to push your stop loss backward to where the spike will end. Okay, because this is 1 hour time frame, definitely it's not a single spike will not take away the whole of the 1 hour candle. That is why you will always see the candles not fully formed. So it will only take this stop loss backward to this level, and wherever it stopped, that is where the market will close. Okay, and check it out right here, it will only push it backwards to this level. I'm coming. Let me try and remove this. Let me delete the rest. Okay, right here, this is where the spike picked up from, and it will only push it back to this level. And do you know what will happen? It will, because your stop loss is here, it will just push the stop loss back to this level, and it will take you out of the market immediately after that spike, after that single spike. And you have that advantage because you are swing trading and you are on 1 hour time frame. You've gotten the profit from here to this level before the first spike will occur. Okay, there are so many spikes that will occur before a single 1 hour candle will be completed. Okay, so a single spike that occur within that 1 hour candle will only push your stop loss backward from here to this level where it stopped, and immediately it stopped there, the price, your order will be closed immediately. And do you know what will happen? Your profit from this entry point to this level will be closed with it, and that profit will be in your balance. Okay, this will be your profit. I don't know if you got that right. Okay, it will push your stop loss backward a bit. Let's say this is the spike that happened, that single spike that happened will push it backward a bit, and your profits will be from this level to this level, and it will be added to your balance immediately, taking you out of the market. And the rest of the spike that happened after that, you won't be involved in it. Okay, you are not going to be involved in it. So that is how amazing this is. So how can we achieve this? How can we take advantage of this in trading the normal trend? The first thing is, make sure your time frame is 1 hour time frame. And once your time frame is on 1 hour time frame, once you get a sell signal in boom, you can come in and start trading. After trading for a while, you introduce your stop loss and give a little gap between your the current action price and where you want your stop loss to be, so that you can have enough space. Let's say the current action price is somewhere here, is somewhere here, then you introduce your stop loss somewhere here. Definitely on 1 hour time frame, a single spike will not claim a whole of a, or will not make up a whole of a 1 hour candle. Okay, so that is very, very important. So that way you can milk the market successfully. Okay, let me quickly show you crash so that you guys will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, check out here. Okay, we are actually buying in crash. We came in from this support level. I'm going to add 2 other horizontal levels to it and change their colors. Okay, let me change this to red. Okay, I just want to make sure you got this right. Okay, and I'm going to change this to light blue again. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, like I said, the first thing you need to do, make sure you are on 1 hour time frame to trade. If you want to trade the normal trend, okay, this is your entry point. At this point is your entry point. I'm going to remove this for now. So at this point is your entry point. We are yet to introduce our stop loss. So this is your entry point, and your action price picked up from here and it started going up and up and up. After getting to this level, definitely you've traded for a while, for some hours, and you are already in big profit, and you don't want to lose all your money. Okay, so you can introduce your stop loss somewhere here. So your profits will now be, you will be locking up the profit between here to this place. Okay, the price action moved up to this level, you adjust your stop loss to somewhere here. Okay, to somewhere here. So, or probably to somewhere here. Okay, so you are keeping the profit between here and here. So this is what will happen. Okay, there is a crash, a spike in crash. Okay, it's happened here and it's your stop loss. Do you know what will happen? Your stop loss will move backward and stopped at where the crash ended. Okay, it will move backward. It will move from here backward. The first spike will move from here backward to where the crash down stopped, and immediately it stopped there. The market, your order will be closed immediately. It will be closed immediately. So the rest of the crash that happened here, you won't be affected by that. Okay, your order will close immediately around here, which means the profit between here and here will be locked out in your balance. It will be added to your balance immediately it closed it. I believe you have gotten this right. So you can practice this over and over. You're going to notice that this actually works. So that is the best way you can use stop loss to trade the normal trend normally. Probably I'm still going to come up with more videos on this so that you guys will understand how to apply it properly. But if you should watch this video over and over again, then you will understand how it works. Okay, so you can take note of every point I have highlighted here and have this set up on your chart try to practice the strategy on your demo account, and do it for a day or two, and that way you would have perfected your skill and you can try it out on your real account. It is very simple and easy to use, guys. It is very simple and easy to use. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. I will be happy to reply all your messages. Then also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.